These are the elevators at the Courtyard Marriott. What's the green? This one. Bigger than the parking deck elevator. These are Thyssenkrupp Synergy. Wow, that was slow. I heard the other one ring down and it might open on one. Starts a bit rough. At least this one does. We'll never know who maintained this. Once the button go out. Alright, let's see if we can transfer the other one. It might be here. Indeed it is. Yep, it opened. Oh, this one's smaller. The other one, I guess, is the service. Alright, at least I can lay back for this trip. This one sounds lovely. This one has a rougher wide quality. So yeah, this one's the smaller one of the two. At least the startups on this one are not as bad. I do like the blue indicators. I don't see that too often on Thyssenkrupps. Like ones like this. Here are your fixtures, your Signifor, newer Signifor style layout with the Mad BS Classic fixtures. Ah yes, I love the seismic power. Tiny for reference. There it goes. Wow, that's a slow door. And that's it.